This is your morning brief for Thursday, February 14th. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Additional $200 billion in tariffs on China could be extended a deadline by Trump. They say they're in talks and it's going well, and the deadline was March 1st, but I think they're saying, everyone's negotiating in good faith, so he may extend those deadlines. Okay, I think that's a good thing. Hopefully they get a deal done soon. Anyways, March 1st is kind of an arbitrary deadline anyways, so I'm fine. Let's get a deal done though as soon as possible. All right, Cisco beat and confirmed guidance. Shares are up 4% in the pre-market. Let me just make a few comments on this. Cisco's a good company. Cisco, you can own it probably for the long term. I'm not that impressed by this press release though, or the earnings release. It's okay. I might even trim here. I don't know. I just don't get that excited. Let me tell you why. Okay, revenue was up 7%, but that was after an adjustment. It was actually a little bit lower, and you don't often make adjustments on revenue, but it's okay. Earnings were up 12%. They beat estimates, 73 cents versus 72. They upped the revenue guidance to 4 to 6% from 3% previously. So again, this is a 4 to 6% grower, and it looks like to me in our work that it's priced to grow a bit more than that. So I'm it's okay. A couple more good points. The CEO said they didn't feel any negative effects from geopolitical and global economic pressure. That's good. They have very little exposure in China. That's these are probably the things that are getting the investors excited, and they're buying back shares continuously, and they bought back a ton of shares, like $5 billion in a quarter. Like it's quite a big move even for a big company like Cisco. So there are good things happening. I'm just having trouble with the lower growth and the valuation put together. All in all, it's a solid company. I'm just thinking there might be better ideas out there. At any rate, more chip companies to report after the bell. NVDA and Applied Materials, to name a few. I have a report out on NVIDIA already. That was before, or it was right after they issued a revenue guidance warning. Have a look at that one. And Applied Materials, I just did one last night. I thought they were actually reporting before the bell. So if you watch that video, it's actually after the bell, which just makes no difference to the report. I have a watch on that one. And a little bit of sad news. Airbus is going to stop building jumbo jets. Not that I cover Airbus or anything like that, but I was just a little bit upset. I like those jumbo jets, but I guess they're not profitable, so they got to do that. And some fun news in sports. Raptors acquired Jeremey Lin, and just in the nick of time. He literally cleared waivers hours before the game, made it to the game. Raptors backup point guard Freddie Van Vliet is hurt now for a longer period of time, and they just traded away the other backup, DeLon Wright, so we really needed another point guard. And I can't believe this Jeremey Lin's available. He's great. I love that guy. And Pascal Siakim had 44 points last night in a career high, and that was fun to watch. What a game. All right, that's your morning brief for Thursday, February 14th, Valentine's Day.